embarkation time. We walked around New York City for about 2.5 hours. We got in 15,000 steps almost. Checked in. It took us about maybe 15-20 minutes to get checked in. And we are getting ready to board the Carnival Venezia. Come on, go with us. Little Viaggio. We're eating there Thursday night. We are headed to our muster station. When you get on, first thing that Carnival has you do now is to go to your muster station, check in. We are in the gondola lounge, which is next to the restaurant where we'll be eating dinner. Then you actually do the video from your room. Well, we got to the room. Our key was not outside. Everybody else on the hallway, well, most everybody on the hallway had a key, but we did not. So Doug's up trying to take care of that. The steward let me in, but check this out. Welcome aboard Carnival Venezia, Douglas, Tammy, and Corbin. Pretty cool. We have a cove balcony room. There's a TV, the 2 beds. There's a couch, and then there's a pull down and bathroom. Nice sink area. Nice big shower, looks like. Got some nice hooks up here that doesn't always happen in a cabin. There are 3 of these drawers. A little bit of space. There are some shelves. It's still kind of dark in there to see. The safe's in this first closet. There is a closet that has a nice full-length mirror and a place to hang. We also use the base for suitcase and a little bit of storage. And then this closet has a little bit of shelving again and more hangers. This one has the safe in it and life jackets. Table. Got the little cooler fridge. Feels pretty cold in there. Must be a little fridge. Hair dryer, telephone. We ordered water, so they've already been delivered. I really do love the artwork and this Pullman bed. Looks like a pretty decent sized one. This is a cove balcony, so it has the little, kind of like a window outside, but it's a nice spacious balcony and a good size opening. And there's a little bit of rumblings of thunder, but we're still parked. We've got some city skyline behind and more of the city there, but never had a balcony before. I'm very excited. Due to the rain outside, the Lido deck had the top cover over, and so the sail away party was inside by the pool, and folks were having fun.
Hey, it's time for another
Everyday Getaway.
And today we're on the Carnival Venezia.
Woohoo! And it's about time to sail away, and we are in New York City. It's raining, so they've got the inside courtyard closed for the sail away party. It's really loud, but while it's not lightning, thundering, and raining really hard, we thought we'd get a quick glimpse of the city. We're getting ready to sail away in about 15. Right next to Pier 88, which is where the Carnival Venezia docks, there's a maritime museum. It has all kind of airplanes. It's got a sub out to the side. We didn't get to go there today, but I think it'd be very interesting. And a quick view of the city. Deck is slick with water on it. Somebody just fell. I think they're okay. I hope so anyway.
Okay, so this trip was supposed to be going to St. Thomas, San Juan, and Grand Turk. But because of the hurricane that is out in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, we are now going to go to the Bahamas.
That's a big difference, isn't it?
Big difference.
Well, we're going to have fun. We're going to make it work. But I was so looking forward to San Juan. And I was so looking for...
Yeah, San Juan is one of our favorite places. And St. Thomas is we really like St. Thomas too.
We were planning on going to Megan's Bay and kayaking there, which we really loved. And Grand Turk we never visited. So we've got 3 ports in the Bahamas. We have not been to 2 of them. So we will find some fun things to do and make the best of it. As you are sailing out, port side, which is the left side, port has 4 letters, left 4 letters, so that's where you're facing the city on the way out. As we move along a little bit farther, the Statue of Liberty is on the right side of the ship, which is starboard.
Didn't it rain last time?
It's rainy, but we're not going to miss the Statue of Liberty.
Also at the freeport, in order to remain a safe distance from the storm.
I believe this is Ellis
Our
Island.
new itinerary, as you know, you
That's
already
not
received
correct.
the information.
I'll correct
There will be 2 sea days. Tomorrow we have the sea day, and we have another sea day, and our free.
Close as we want it, but hope you can just see how beautiful that is.
Not as beautiful as you.
Next up on our sail away, see that bridge? We're going to go up underneath it. I'm so looking forward to it. This is exciting. I know it's a ways off, but there are 2 layers and we're going to roll right below. The closer that we can get, you can tell better that there are 2 layers. There's traffic going both directions on both layers. A few years ago, we drove into New York and we had one of those above below bridges. It was kind of nerve-wracking, but I think this will be interesting going below. So as we get closer, we can see the traffic better. As we go below the water. Wait for the horn blast.
Quesadilla con yogo.
Mountain cake twice. And
Tiramisu.
Trying the chocolate melting cake with ice cream and peanut butter.
I've always loved the chocolate melty cake, but I've heard that you should get a side of peanut butter. So, thank you.
Now Doug is not gonna like this.
I like it.
I like the peanut butter and the ice cream.
He does not like the melty cake.
The melted cake is good though, and he got a good one. His is like undercooked. So, Mom, what do you rate it?
I always like the melty cake, and I always give it probably a 9 or 10 out of 10. I think the peanut butter adds, so I think it's got to be a 10 out of 10.
Doug, you gonna be ordering something else?
Yes.
So what did everybody think about your dinner?
Well, the best part was the soup that you got probably, and the cranberry bread at the beginning. I don't know if we showed that, but the cranberry bread.
Yeah, I thought the cranberry bread was really good. I thought my shrimp was really good.
I really liked that poblano. It's roasted poblano and corn chowder. That was really delicious. Probably the best thing I ate tonight.
And the dessert, I'm sure it was good. It was, I mean, I knew I wouldn't like it when I ordered it, but I thought I'd give it a try.
He doesn't really like chocolate, so it was a lot of chocolate.
Tiramisu was good.
All right, it was embarkation day. What did you think?
Hey, it was fast to get on the ship.
Yeah, they have
really
a system where folks who are coming off the ship come off on the first level, and the people who are getting on come in on the second level. So
it took us 15 minutes at the most. To get
and it
all
was
the way
busy
through.
when we came in, but that was all it
Yeah,
took.
so it was really good.
We had a few glitches with our room and our key and a few things, but they've taken care of us, and hopefully it's a beginning to a good cruise.
That's right.
All right, take care of yourself, take care of others, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Everyday getaway.
Getaway.
Join us next time.